Welcome to Yijin Hardware's channel. Today we're diving into nylon CNC machining, a process that combines precision manufacturing with the versatility of engineering-grade plastics. If you're curious about why nylon is a go-to material for CNC machining, stay tuned. Nylon, also known as polyamide, is a durable and versatile engineering plastic perfect for CNC machining. Its high strength-to-weight ratio, wear resistance, and chemical stability make it an excellent choice for industries demanding precision and reliability. Why choose nylon? Nylon is a great economical general-purpose plastic, especially if you're making large parts that need to be low-cost and lightweight. Nylon 6,6, one of the hardest and most wear-resistant compounds in the nylon family, is an excellent choice for gears and slider applications. Additionally, nylon is commonly chosen for its chemical resistance to hydrocarbons and its flame retardant properties. However, one thing to note is that nylon has high water absorption, which makes it less suitable for outdoor applications. Next, I'll show some of the nylon parts that I usually customize for my customers. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to bring your designs to life with premium nylon CNC machining, contact Yijin Hardware today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your network. See you next time.